The human brain is a mysterious and fascinating organ. It is the command center of our bodies, responsible for everything we think, feel, and do. Understanding how the brain learns can unlock our potential. Like exploring the vast universe, we journey into the inner cosmos of our minds. Imagine the brain as a vast network of billions of neurons. These neurons communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals. Every time we learn something new, connections between neurons strengthen. This intricate dance of neurons forms the basis of learning and memory. The brain is constantly changing and adapting in response to our experiences. Understanding how our brains learn empowers us to learn more effectively. This knowledge is essential for anyone who wants to unlock their cognitive abilities. Our brains possess an incredible ability called neuroplasticity. This means the brain can change and reorganize itself throughout our lives. It's not fixed or set in stone. Like a muscle that grows stronger with use, our brains can adapt and improve. Neuroplasticity is the foundation of learning. When we learn new skills or information, our brains physically change. New connections form and existing connections strengthen. This process allows us to adapt to new situations and acquire new abilities. Consider the example of London taxi drivers. They have an incredible ability to navigate the city's complex streets. Studies have shown that the hippocampus, a brain region involved in spatial memory, is larger in experienced taxi drivers. This demonstrates the power of neuroplasticity. Even as we age, our brains can continue to change and learn. Neuroplasticity is a lifelong process. This means it's never too late to learn something new or improve our cognitive abilities. Embracing lifelong learning keeps our brains sharp and adaptable. Learning is an active process that involves three main stages: encoding, storage, and retrieval. Encoding is the process of taking in new information from our senses. It's like entering data into a computer. The brain transforms sensory input into a form it can understand. Storage refers to retaining information over time. This involves transferring information from short-term memory to long-term memory. Think of it as saving a file on your computer's hard drive. The hippocampus plays a crucial role in memory consolidation. Retrieval is the ability to access stored information when needed. It's like opening a file on your computer. When we retrieve information successfully, it means our brains have effectively encoded and stored it. The prefrontal cortex is involved in retrieving and using stored information. Each stage of learning relies on different brain regions and processes. Understanding these stages helps us develop effective learning strategies. For instance, we can use techniques like repetition and elaboration to enhance encoding and storage. Section 4, learning styles, different brains, different approaches. Just as each of us has a unique fingerprint, we also have unique learning styles. Learning styles refer to the different ways individuals process and acquire information. Some people are visual learners, while others learn best through auditory or kinesthetic methods. Visual learners thrive on visual aids like diagrams, charts, and videos. Their brains process information best when they can see it. Auditory learners, on the other hand, learn best through listening. Lectures, audiobooks, and discussions resonate with them. Kinesthetic learners learn by doing. They benefit from hands-on activities, experiments, and movement. Their brains make connections through physical experiences. And understanding our learning style allows us to personalize our learning approach. By tailoring our study environment and methods to our preferred learning style, we can enhance our learning experience. For example, visual learners can use mind maps and flashcards. Auditory learners can record lectures and listen to podcasts. Kinesthetic learners can engage in role-playing and simulations. Section 5, brain-boosting tips. Learn smarter, not harder. Neuroscience offers valuable insights into optimizing our learning. Apply these insights to learn smarter, not harder. Use spaced repetition instead of cramming. Practice active recall to strengthen neural connections. Sleep is crucial for memory consolidation. Regular exercise benefits brain health. Cultivate a growth mindset for continuous improvement. Section 6. The emotional connection, feeling and learning. Emotions and learning are intertwined. Emotions trigger hormones that enhance memory. Positive emotions create a favorable learning environment. Negative emotions hinder learning. Create a positive and supportive learning environment. Celebrate your successes. Take breaks to manage stress. Embrace curiosity and find joy in learning.